Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Friday night. This is going to be a super quick video. If you saw the video that took forever today to upload, I did an ice cream video on a new machine that I've never touched before, and I said if it worked, I would come on and show you, and if it failed, I would share that too. So let me show you what this looks like. Super excited. Ready? Here is the vanilla ice cream that worked out, and I actually put fresh raspberries in it. It does come out a little soft serve, but that's okay. We put it in a Tupperware container, and now I'm going to take the tripod because my love bug grandson that I spoke about is here tonight, and I told you that we would have him taste test. Want to say hello, Gavin?
Hello.
So let me get him a spoon, and he will give his honest opinion on what he thinks of Mum-Mum's homemade raspberry vanilla ice cream. Put it back in the bowl. Leave it off to the side. Uh-oh. Did Mum-Mum do good, or... Wait, let's wait for the... It's cold.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah. If Gordon Ramsay was here, he would probably, if he tried this, he would probably give it like a 10.
If who was here?
Gordon Ramsay.
If Gordon Ramsay was here, he would give it a 10?
Yeah.
Guys, I think that's the best compliment ever. Coming from my love bug grandson. This is Friday night. This is what it looks like. Do you want to get Mum a spoon so I can try it real quick? It worked. It worked. Super excited. Let's see. Do you want to hold that? And I'll scooch you over here. Okay, let me get... Oh yeah, look how much thicker that got. I don't want an enormous spoonful, but... I don't think I'm ever buying ice cream again. I think I'm just going to keep making it. Look at that. So the recipe and the reason why I made it is because my friend bought me the Cuisinart machine, ice cream machine. Never touched it, like 2 years, 3 years since Christmas. And a woman, her page on YouTube is Life's Just Ducky, gave me an ice cream recipe. I tried it. Didn't want to leave these hanging. Why it churned and did its thing. But look, solid. Put it in the freezer after it came out. It's amazing. And yeah, it's Friday night. I told you that my grandson was coming and he was the real taste tester. And you heard him. If Gordon Ramsay was here, he would what? Give me a 10 or 2 thumbs up? Which one did you say?
10.
A 10. Doesn't get any better than that. There it is. There's Gavin, super happy because he gets to eat the ice cream. You going in for some more? Yeah, that was good. At the last minute, I decided to throw... that was a big spoon. The last minute, I decided to throw in a little bit of raspberries that I had left. But now that it works and it was successful, I think the next ice cream I'm going to make is what, Gavin? The mint chocolate chip. Yep. We're going to be seeing a lot of ice cream videos coming up on this channel because this is amazing. Look at the raspberries. It worked. Super stoked. Just wanted to turn the camera on real quick. And here you go, Gavin, honey. Like I said, I just wanted to turn the camera on real quick and let you know that it worked. Didn't want to leave you hanging till the next video. And since I had Gavin here, he could record for me. Total success. Plan on making some more. Thank you, everyone. Please subscribe. We have new subscribers today. What are we up to? 54, I think?
55.
I think it's 54. But
55, I subscribed.
Oh, my grandson subscribes. I'll tell you, you can't ask for a better Friday night than this. 55 subscribers. And thank you to everyone. please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you want the recipe that was shared by Life is Just Ducky is her name, please go check out her YouTube. Tell her that Melody sent you. You can follow me on Instagram. You can also follow her as well. Again, her page name is it's like life _ it's just Ducky. I'll put it down in the description down below. But I want to eat my spoon ice cream. It worked. So get ready for some more ice cream videos. Just didn't want to leave you hanging. But happy Friday night. Now we're going to go sit and eat some ice cream. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next video.